Today I'm going to show you how to use the content calendar in Meta Business Suite. So if you're frequently posting on Facebook or Instagram, there's a way easier way than to go through Facebook and click on what's on your mind, or go up over here and perhaps you want to do this in one of your pages so that you are posting directly from your pages. So here, of course, you can have your video, your photos or videos, or you can upload a reel. And this will basically allow you to just create one piece of content. And it'll also only allow you to just post it immediately, and that's it. And there's a better way of doing this. Now, if you are using Meta Business Suite, you'll go onto the left-hand side over here. You'll see there is a planner option. Now, if you go into the planner option on the top left, you can click on month. You can see your whole month before you. Now, from here, let's say we want to post some content. We're going to post some content on this date over here. You can click on the plus icon, and here you can schedule a post, a story, a reel. You can bulk posts, and you can schedule an ad as well. This is all fantastic. You can also do this on the top right-hand side here. You can see the same options, and then you can see that there are stars in some of these time frames for Instagram and on Facebook. And this essentially is when your current users or viewers or audience is most online. So if you want to capture your audience, you can actually click on any one of these posts, and you'll be able to post either an Instagram or a Facebook post, a reel or a story, whatever it is, at these specific times. Ultimately, whichever way you're going to do this, you'll get over to this page. Here you can post either on Facebook or on Instagram, or on both of them. And this is great. You can also publish to more than just your own groups. You can see that these are public groups, and you can post to these public groups. Now, there are some rules that you need to follow. So if you are using perhaps Instagram, and I'll show you those rules, let me upload some media. So I've got 2 photographs that I've uploaded, and you'll actually see in Facebook, their aspect ratio doesn't really matter because they will be posted as is. But if you are using Instagram, then you will have to click on this crop over here and crop each image to make sure that they are all the same. So if you can say over here, apply to all, then you can either have it square, you can move it around here, or you can have it horizontal, vertical, whichever way you would like it. But it's in a very specific format. So if you click on that apply to all, you'll be able to do that. Of course, you'll see that sometimes it doesn't work out, but you'll be able to click on it and click on edit photo. You can then also see that you can maybe just move it about so that it is the same. Once you have done this, you'll be able to then post on Instagram. Now, what I would do is optimize my photographs for Instagram so that they're all in the same aspect ratio immediately before you upload them here. Now, this is what's nice. You can actually go ahead, add in a text. You can also customize your post for Facebook and Instagram separately. So this is what you want to say on Facebook. This is what you want to say on Instagram. And then you can go down over here. You can add in different buttons, WhatsApp buttons, A/B testing, emotions, activities, locations. But the thing is, Instagram is limited. So once you remove the Instagram posts, you'll have more options here. Okay, then you get to the scheduling part, and this is what makes the content calendar on Meta Business Suite a whole lot better than just posting individual posts at a specific time. Here you can choose, so you can choose those active times that I mentioned earlier on. You can choose the date as well as the time that you would like to do this in, and then you can go and you can click on schedule, and you can continue to do this over and over and over and over. Now, if you go back here, if you want to bulk, you can just go over here and then say bulk schedule posts or bulk upload reels. This means that you can do this whole process once for multiple posts, as you can see here. Very simple view. You can schedule that, choose a time, say update, add in your media, your text, and click on add post. You can add as many posts as you'd like. And once you're done, you can click on publish. This means that within an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, you can publish an entire month's worth of content on one single page without having to open the page, upload all your media, do everything once and then click on publish or schedule and then do it again 30, 60, 90, 100 times over. It can all be done on one single page. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you use the content calendar on Meta Business Suite.